Our last renovation was carried out in a multi-family house on Troststraße in the 10th district of Vienna. We were notified by the property management that after every rainfall, water could penetrate the courtyard as well as the basement and the elevator shaft. In this case, our client was a company that manages numerous rental properties in Vienna. This company has been working with us for many years, so we were contacted directly to resolve the issue. During the technical audit, we examined the way the courtyard drainage was implemented. The water seeped through the joints between the bricks in the walls, flooding the basement and the elevator shaft. As it turned out, a major renovation was carried out years ago to create an enclosed garden for the residents. It was then planned that the rainwater should seep into the ground, but was also partially channeled into the sewer. However, when designing the garden, no sufficient measures were taken for such water quantities that usually accumulated in the courtyard, especially after heavy rainfall. After the technical review in the first instance, we recommended to our customer to repair the building elements where the water causes the most damage, namely all the niches in the basement. These needed to be insulated immediately. On the lowest floor of the building, the cables and pipes proved to be a challenge as they ran directly through the brick walls. Despite prior sealing, water could still penetrate these walls. The elevator was a problem for the residents because it was shut down for safety reasons during floods. Water collected at the bottom of the shaft to a height of 20 centimeters. As we found during an inspection, it flowed into the interior through the horizontal and vertical joints of the concrete slabs in the shaft. But that was not the only foreseeable problem, because a major danger for all elevators is water ingress into the shaft at the wall-floor junction. So, we sealed all the leaks in the basement and elevator with mineral NCT mortar. Our mortars create a waterproof seal in the areas they are applied to. The covered building structures, in this case made of brick and concrete, completely hold back the water. This creates the so-called aquarium effect. Even with very high water pressure after intense rainfall, there are no leaks in the walls and floors. After completion of the work, our customer received a 30-year warranty from us on the insulation of the basement walls and a 5-year warranty on the insulation of the concrete slabs in the elevator shaft. This is because vibrations from the elevator in the shaft can lead to the formation of cracks in the insulated areas. Although we have only had one such case in the history of our company so far, a leak occurred at the connection back then. In summary, our mortars seal the brick walls with up to 5 bar, meaning they withstand a water column pressure of 50 meters. Even with old bricks, they reinforce them with a strength ranging from 2 to 5 newtons per square millimeter up to 14 newtons per square millimeter. That is, by about 300%. In a brick wall, the joint is also reinforced with lime cement, a material that reacts very well with our mineral NCT mortar and crystallizes very quickly. This process is twice as fast as in bricks that do not contain lime. The result of this synthesis of NCT with such masonry is a kind of reinforcement. The combination of bricks and joints reinforced with NCT mineral mortar also guarantees resistance to high water pressure and durability against salts and chlorides. This is a huge difference compared to a normal insulating layer with elasticizing dispersion. That's it for today. See you soon in the next video.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more construction tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next project.